this is Ryan Cabansag. Today I will show you how to create stored procedures. First, we will create a query. Select all from sales LT dot product category A, and we will join it to product table. Inner join sales LT dot product B on A dot product category ID equals B product category ID. Execute. There's too many fields. All we want is the category of the product and the product name. So we type A dot name as category, B dot name as product name. Execute. Now we will narrow it down to where A dot name equals shorts. Now it only shows the short category. Let's say we will use it frequently. We will use store procedure. We will type create procedure show shorts as execute, and it will show commands completed successfully, and the command is stored at the procedure show shorts. Open new query window and type exec show shorts to execute the procedure that we stored. Execute. We see that the command was stored in the procedure. That's how we create stored procedure. Thanks for listening to my tutorial. Goodbye.